Hello guys, today I am replacing my front brake pad of my T20. Okay, so I got three options. The first one is I'm gonna just replacing that brake pad. Second option is replacing the whole caliper. Or if I want to go to extreme, I will going to replacing the front lever and caliper hydraulic. But look, I still prefer the mechanical. So we're doing the video today how to replacing just a brake caliper of the Coswheel T20. Okay, so to do this job you need a pair of new caliper, Allen key number 5 and maybe a plier. Okay, so this is the old tools here. So what we need to do is actually we need to remove this screw here, and then there's a screw here. So there is two screws that we need to separate the front caliper first. Just remember when you're removing, just put the ring at the right position. So like this one, they got two ring at the front and two ring at the back. So just remember the position of each ring, and then later on you will put it there easier. Okay, the front caliper is out now, and as you can see here, we need to remove the that brake pad, the yellow one, and they need Allen key number 3, which is we got to open that from here. So you can see the yellow brake pad is compatible to the Shimano B01S, so you can buy it anywhere. However, this one here I ordered that from AliExpress, and then what they told me is this is the organic, so it's gonna making the brake is smoother. So I'm gonna try that and then reuse the screw over here to put it in. Okay. The new brake pad is ready to push into the hole over there, and then you see it will be aligned to that part over here. It's pretty quick and easy. Remind, because these two rings will come first to the frame, and then we stick the screw through the brake caliper. So just remember this one, and then I will show you. Okay, here I am screwing up the caliper to the frame. And one more thing is, right, if your finger touch the rotor, you got to using alcohol or isopropyl to clean it, otherwise it will be contaminated the new brake pad. Okay, so just remember that. So I'm just tied it, not 100% screw this one up now. Just to make sure everything is in spot, I have to using a brake, and I got to adjust these things now. And make sure it's on place. Okay. Now the trick to make sure the brake caliper align with the rotor is using a brake, using your front brake, and then tighten up the two screws down under here, and then the brake caliper will align with the rotor. Okay. Now the brake is the new brake pad has been installed, and you can see now I just brake. it's 100% stick. Thank you for watching. You see, as of today, my Coswheel T20 done heavy 1,831 kilometer on the auto. So this is the first time I replacing the front brake, and my brake the back one, I already replace it at 1,500 kilometer. Front right.